everyone, this is Stream Beauty Factory here. I'm coming to y'all with another video. I'm gonna do my famous Boxy charm unboxing, letting y'all know what's in here, but I'm gonna do an eye look with the Boxy charm because of course you know it's a palette in here. So I'm gonna tell y'all how, you know, of course you know it's $21 a month. I do this almost every month to let y'all know, and it comes in with the card, you know, letting you know how much everything costs. And today I'm gonna do something different by doing something with the stuff that's in Boxy charm. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in it. And I think the Boxy charm theme this month is road tripping. Boxy charm road tripping. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out on this card is called Dr. Brandt. We always get a lot of Dr. Brandt in our boxes, and his products are pretty good, and they're kind of expensive, but they work very well. And let's see here. This one is needleless, no more baggage. Eye depuffing gel. I tried this, and this is the color of the gel when it comes out. Hope y'all can see this. It's an orange consistency, and when you rub it into your skin, it disappears. So I tried this. I should have demonstrated this too, but it does work well. But I really don't have any problem with a lot of puffiness, but I can use it sometime when I get up in the morning and have some puffiness, or do it before I want to put on my makeup, so under my eyes can be like smooth and everything when I apply my makeup. It is $42. Okay, I done did the $42. And the next thing I'm gonna pull out is, we're gonna pull out the palette. The palette came in this box. It's the Crown, the Pro, is it Crown Pro? Yeah, Crown Pro. I got a couple of brushes from them, and they products seem to be pretty good. And also, I tried this palette, y'all, so I can honestly come on here and tell y'all really about this palette. I like the palette, and it bends back, and it has to, of course, you know, they have this on there. It has a mirror, and then it has these colors right here. These colors are pigmented. I'm gonna swatch one for y'all guys. Hold on one second. And I'm gonna swatch it on my hand for y'all to see. Look at that. So I think I used this one as a highlight when I think it was Saturday when I went to my granddaughter and my grandson's birthday party, and I did like a simple beat because it was hot going to the pool. So I just kind of like put a highlight and did a simple eye. But I'm gonna show y'all what I used and what I did at the thing once you know, do an eye look with this, so I can show y'all how pigmented the palette is. Okay, I'm gonna go through these products first. So we already did the palette. We did the no more baggage. Okay, we got 3 more. They always give us 5. Okay, let's see. The next one is mascara. It doesn't look like a mascara. I thought this was like a lipstick or something. It's Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara by Wonder Beauty. There it is. And this is the wine. And I'm gonna demonstrate this also with the look. I'm not gonna put no lashes on. I'm just gonna show y'all exactly how this works. Okay. All right. Now we have. It is called Note Cosmetics. Note. And let me see. It is a blusher. See? Note. And this one is called Desert Rose. Okay? And this is how it looks. It's kind of orangey. And I think I put a little bit on today. I mean, it makes you, it's good. I mean, you gotta be careful when you put it on. You can't put a lot on. You gotta just put just enough, because once your brush touches this, let me get to one. Where did I have it? Once your brush touch it, see that? That's a lot. And you just put it on your apples of your cheeks. See, I didn't have to dip back in. I hope y'all can see what I'm trying to do. So, yes. And this one is, okay, did I do the tally? Okay, hold on. 42. And the palette, y'all, I'm sorry, was 29. The mascara was 24. And the Note blusher is $11.99. And then we, let me see, did they say it? Yeah, I told y'all the Desert Rose. Okay. Now we have this last one. It is an eyebrow cream. This thing is $26. Okay, that's the brush. And where's the stuff? Oh, it's twisted. I don't know, y'all. This ain't. This look kind of ashy. If you can see that, it's kind of ashy looking. I mean, and then I don't know. I don't know, but I gotta try it. But if it ain't, I don't know. Let's see what color this is. Does it say? It's a tangerine taupe eyebrow. So, and this one is $26. Ugh, I don't know. All right, drum roll. The total is $132.99 for all these products. I mean, BoxyCharm, I love BoxyCharm. I don't have any more subscription boxes, not yet anyway, but BoxyCharm has got my heart, and I'll be surprised every time that I get this box. I'll be looking for this box. So, let me see. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the eye look and let y'all see how the palette is. So I'm gonna move all this stuff out the way and keep the mascara here. And I'll keep y'all, matter of fact, I'm gonna tell y'all what my favorites are. My favorite is I like the palette. I tried the mascara, but I just want to show y'all how the mascara works. It works okay. It pulls out my eyelashes, but I like to add more mascara to it. And this right here is not kind of like a thick consistency like to bring them on out, but it does the job. If you want just simple and you're a simple person, this will work for you. And what else did I have? This blush, I mean, I like it. I could put it with my favorites, but it's like in between. And this right here, the eyebrow taupe, the going your eyebrow stuff. I don't like it. Eyebrow cream, I don't like this because it's not my color. And you got a little bit of product in here, and you paying $26 for this. No, this is not my favorite. So let's move on to the eye look, and I'm just gonna do a random simple eye look for y'all guys just to show y'all how the palette works. Okay, there. All right. Now, of course, y'all know I use LA Pro Conceal and Toffee as my primer for my eyes. y'all got some more products in that I'm gonna do a review on. So I will be coming back with some more videos, some stuff that I was waiting on so I can do my video, okay? All right, let's get some brushes. Okay. Take this fluffy brush here. I'm gonna take these colors don't have any names on them, so I'm gonna go in this like burgundy looking color right here as my transition.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this dark color right here, just to deepen it up and put it right here in my crease. This color right here, I really don't. Kind of chalky. I mean, the palette. I mean, I feel like it can be for beginners. Okay, now what I'm going to put right here on my mobile lid is, let me see. I'm gonna do this color right here, the one that I did the swatch on. So okay, let's go here. Okay. Now we're gonna blend out the harsh lines. Oh my, look good. Just using the same colors that I use, just to blend out the harsh lines, y'all. Now you can put highlight your brow bone. Take this angle brush. That's kind of pigmented too, y'all. Let me show y'all what I use. Hold on 1 second. And what I'm doing is warming this up by rubbing it with my finger. Okay. See how quick that was? And you can either put a liner across it, but tonight I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I just came on here to let y'all see how the palette was. And I really think that the palette is, those are the shimmers that's in here. I'm trying to show you my fingers. Those are the shimmers. So I think it's a very good palette. So let me see something. Take it and See the fall off me. Something in my eye, y'all. Ooh. Put some black liner. This is one of the liners I think I had in my Easter bag. All right. Now I'm going to show y'all about the mascara. Okay. No, I mean, oh, I lied. It's getting my eyelash, excuse me. Oh, wow. I lied. This is good. You just gotta get it on there. Wow. Oh yeah. Whoa. I'm gonna stop it. I'm killing myself today. Y'all, I was determined to get on here and do this video because I'm kind of late getting it out. Got a lot going on. Okay. What y'all think? Okay, y'all. This is it. This is my BoxyCharm for. I mean, this box ain't as exciting as it was last BoxyCharm, but it still got some good products in here. And I mean, the palette. You getting a how much? A $29 palette, almost a $30 palette, versus you paid $21 for a month. So you need to check it out. Check it out. And guess what, y'all? I love y'all, and I will see y'all what? In the next video. And guess what? I want y'all to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you push that bell button, and so you can get all the notifications whenever I put up a video. See y'all next time.